Are you sick of flipping pages to learn anatomy? Are you bored of uninspiring atlases and flashcards? Kenhub offers you a guided and engaging alternative. Our online platform introduces you to a new, personalized learning experience. By using videos, interactive quizzes, and a great variety of multimedia content, you will easily boost your learning curve. Complex anatomy topics are clarified by using beautiful illustrations, which are verified by experts. Wherever you are, whenever you want, your Kenhub anatomy trainer is always available. You decide how much and how fast you want to learn. Kenhub measures your success and helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses so you can constantly improve your knowledge. Say goodbye to ineffective books and flashcards and discover a new learning experience with Kenhub. Register now at www.kenhub.com for a free demo.